In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook asking for password again and again. If Outlook keeps popping up a password prompt on repeat, the most common cause is a stale or corrupted saved credential in Windows. We're going to clear those stored entries and let Outlook save a fresh one, which usually stops the loop for good. First, make sure Outlook is closed completely. Don't just click the X and move on. Check the system tray near the clock to confirm there's no Outlook icon still running. If you see it, right-click and exit. If Outlook is being stubborn, you can also close it from Task Manager, but the key point is that Outlook must not be running while we clean up the saved credentials. Next, open Credential Manager. Press the Start button, type Credential Manager, and select the result that says Credential Manager, not a web page. This is a Windows control panel where the system stores logins for apps and services. Inside Credential Manager, choose Windows Credentials. You'll see two tabs, Web Credentials and Windows Credentials. We want Windows Credentials because Outlook, as a desktop app, saves its sign-in information there rather than in your web credentials. Now scan the list for anything that mentions Outlook, Microsoft Office, Office 16, or your email address. The exact wording can vary by version, but those keywords are your guide. Take your time and look carefully. If you use multiple mail accounts in Outlook, you may see more than one relevant entry. Expand each matching entry by clicking the arrow on the right, then select Remove. Confirm if you're prompted. Removing these does not delete your email account or messages. It only clears the saved password so Outlook can store a clean, updated one. Avoid removing unrelated items that don't match those keywords, especially entries you recognize for other apps or your Windows sign-in. When you've removed all the relevant entries, start Outlook again. It should prompt you for your password one final time. Enter your correct password and, importantly, check the box that says, "Remember my credentials" before you continue. If your organization uses multi-factor authentication, complete that as usual. After this, Outlook should sign in smoothly and stop asking repeatedly. That's it. By clearing the old cached credentials and saving a fresh one, you reset the sign-in handshake that Outlook relies on. If you manage multiple accounts in Outlook, make sure each one signs in and is remembered. Going forward, a stable internet connection and keeping Office updated can help prevent credential hiccups, but the key fix is exactly what we just did. Thanks for watching, and I hope this resolved the endless password prompts in Outlook.